Hello people, a very good evening to you. Weekend is on and here I am again to entertain you with my new easy recipe of Mexican tacos. Yes friends, you heard that right. You can now make Mexican tacos at home by using basic ingredients. Namaste. Welcome to Desi Videshi. To begin with, for dough preparation, you will need maida or refined flour, ghee, salt, sugar and warm water. For salad topping, you will need onion, cucumber, tomato ketchup, tomatoes and coriander leaves. For stuffing, you will need jeera or cumin, garam masala, red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and boiled rajma. For boiling rajma, you will need to dip 1 cup of rajma overnight. Next morning, you need to pressure cook it till 6 whistles on medium-high flame by adding little salt and a pinch of soda to it. After getting it boiled, you need to sieve it dry and mash it half by using fork. Coming back to rajma preparation. Take a pan, put 1 tablespoon of oil and let it heat. Now add bay leaf and 1/3 teaspoon of jeera or cumin. You can now add 1 cup of half mashed rajma. Stir it. Add salt, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder and stir it well. You need to keep the flame on medium-high so that it cooks well. You can now cover it with a lid for 4 to 5 minutes. Uncover the lid and stir it again. You can see it almost cooked. Finally, you need to add half teaspoon of garam masala and stir it. Your rajma stuffing is now ready. You can keep it aside and let it cool. Amid this, you can start preparing your salad for topping, which will include minced onion, minced cucumber, minced tomato and minced coriander, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. In the meantime, take 1 cup of maida or refined flour, add 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Knead the dough well with warm water to make it fluffy. Cover it with a fresh cloth and keep it aside for half an hour. Amid this, you can take a pan, put the oil and heat it for deep frying. After half an hour, we can go ahead with the preparation. You can see the dough is very fluffy. Take small portion of the dough and make small balls. Now take 1 portion of it, dust it with maida or refined flour and roll it very thin. You need to roll it thin in order to make it crisp and crusty. Now, since the oil is ready for frying, dip the rolled dough in the oil Just when the color changes to light golden brown, you need to fold it with the help of tongs. Just be extra careful while doing it so that you don't splash the heated oil on yourself. Stir it occasionally so that it is properly fried from both the sides. You can see it properly cooked. Now sieve it well so that it leaves no oil behind. You can see it crisp and crusty. Your taco shells are now ready. Going ahead with the preparation, take the taco shell and fill it up with the Rajma mixture. Try not filling it up to the brim as you will need little space for the salad topping as well. Now, top it up with salad just like this. And serve instantly. And ta-da! Your dish is now ready to be served. You can improvise it by adding cheese or avocado dip as per your liking. Generally, you don't require a dip with Mexican tacos. In case you want a dip, you can try looking at my video where I've already shown how to make a salsa dip. In the mixture, you can also add chaat masala to make it tangy. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Press the bell icon for recent updates. Thank you and have a good day.